This is called airtime. I can't see.
This is called airtime.
He's going to be able to enjoy it twice because you'll see it on his video.
You know, what are you doing?
I'm putting it in here because it's such a big rocket.
How many of these audio?
Like 5.
Okay, so this is airtime number 1. Oh, I remember this. Oh, I'm watching out, bud. What are these?
Airtime.
Aircon?
Airtime rocket.
Oh, airtime rockets.
Here's another one.
No, we don't.
I know, we're gonna have a lot of fun. Where did Mr. Bob go?
Who cares? Just find it.
Okay, bye.
Airtime number 2.
Airtime number 2.
You can see, right?
I like the smell of that.
Yeah, me too.
Smells like a dirty river.
Dad.
It does.
Oh, this is pretty good.
Yes, they are.
Ooh.
We have 3 more.
Okay, so that was number 2. Number 3. Smells. Oh, smells like fun.
Wow. That was about
That one was really a surprise.
yeah.
That was number 3? No.
If you notice, those that give the biggest projection have the least smoke. Those that have more smoke give less projection.
Is that the last one?
No, we have one more.
One more.
You have one more?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's raining ashes. Shit.
I'm gonna let the air go smoke.
There's a lot of smoke over there.
Yeah.
Somehow it's just kind of going that way.
Oh well.
Yeah, that is because we can still see.
That's airtime. Let's show these fucks who's boss. Is that the last one of airtime?
Yeah.